What happens when optimal doesn't work? When I listen to a lot of these tribalistic debates online about what's the best approach to training, whether it's high intensity, high volume, full body, 2 times per week body part split, whatever it is, I think that everybody is missing one fundamental point. And that's the fact that people will respond differently to the same program. It doesn't matter how ideal or optimal it is. You will have varying responses. And that suggests that that approach may not work for that person. It may not be the right fit. So that calls into the question this sort of black and white, idealistic, optimal approach to thinking about training. And what you end up doing is you end up trying to cram people into your model as opposed to structuring your programming around the way that your body responds and what you need at the moment. And I think that that is what everybody is missing in this conversation. And I feel like if you would just understand that, we could stop bickering and arguing about things that don't matter and start striving towards our common goal, which is getting people bigger and stronger. We want to see progress. It doesn't matter the methodology. The methodology is secondary. It's pointless to talk about this if people are having a hard time making progress. So what we have to do as coaches, as people who are in the gym, is we have to think about trying different things with the same person. So you might start with a high intensity approach. Maybe that's something that they enjoy doing. That's another factor. Adherence is massive. But you have to think about what works. So you might try high intensity. You might try high volume. You might try different exercises. And you find that a couple of things stick. Maybe if a couple of things work okay, you can keep those in your back pocket for times where they might become fresh. They might become fresh movements. So moral of the story is that we have to think about helping people first, and then the models come afterward. If we become too mechanistic, thinking about, well, this always works, and if it doesn't work for you, then you must be doing it wrong. So many people have been hurt because of that.